David, have you ever thought about how different holiday traditions are around the world?
Hey, Anna. Yeah, it's really fascinating. Every country has its own special ways of celebrating.
For example, in Germany, they have Christmas markets with beautiful lights, crafts, and delicious food.
Oh, yes! And they also celebrate St. Nicholas Day on December 6th, where children leave out their shoes to get small gifts.
That's so cute. In Italy, they have La Befana, the old woman who brings gifts to children on January 6th.
Wow, I didn't know that. In Japan, Christmas is more like a romantic holiday, and people often eat KFC on Christmas Eve.
Yes, I read that too. It's so interesting how different cultures create their own traditions.
In the US, we have big family dinners on Thanksgiving with turkey, stuffing, and pumpkin pie.
And in Mexico, they have Las Posadas, a 9-day celebration before Christmas with singing, candles, and piñatas.
That sounds so fun. I love how holidays bring people together, no matter where you are.
Exactly. In India, they celebrate Diwali, the festival of lights, with fireworks, lamps, and sweets.
Yes, and in China, the Lunar New Year is huge, with red decorations, dragon dances, and red envelopes for good luck.
I would love to experience the Lunar New Year one day. Have you ever traveled during a holiday?
I was in France once during Bastille Day. There were fireworks and parades. It was amazing.
That sounds incredible. I was in Scotland during Hogmanay, their New Year's celebration, with street parties and singing.
Wow, there's so much to learn from how people celebrate. Do you have a favorite holiday?
I think I love Christmas the most because it feels warm and joyful. You?
I like New Year's because it feels like a fresh start. Plus, the fireworks are always exciting.
Maybe one day we can plan a trip to experience a holiday tradition in another country.
That would be awesome. I'd love to see the Lantern Festival in Thailand or Carnival in Brazil.
Me too. Let's make a list of holiday traditions we want to see.
Great idea. It's the best way to combine travel, learning, and fun.